Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we are making olive oil honey chocolate chip cookies. Now these big, soft, pillowy chocolate chip cookies are made with olive oil in place of butter, but I promise you they are just as tasty. They are quick and easy to mix together in just one bowl. Let me show you guys how to make them. So first we're gonna preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Next we're gonna add in half a cup of olive oil into a large mixing bowl. Now if you guys want to do this in your stand mixer, you can do that as well, or you can even use a hand mixer. I'm just going to do this with a bowl and a whisk and a spatula because this recipe is so easy. Next we're going to add in 113 grams of light brown sugar. And then we're going to add 28 grams of raw honey. Now I like to weigh this right into the mixing bowl. That way it's so much easier and you guys don't get honey everywhere and you get the exact amount that we need. And now a little tip for you guys whenever you're baking with honey, you don't have to use a high quality honey. While I still use an organic honey, I like to use like a lesser quality honey for baking because it's gonna get heated in the oven. So we're really just after that honey flavor, not all the nutrients that you're gonna find in a typical raw honey that you would spend a little bit more money on. So save that honey for your toast or your cereal. Next, we're gonna add 2 large eggs. Now we're just going to whisk all the wet ingredients together until the eggs and the sugar, honey, and olive oil are completely combined. Next, we're going to add in 255 grams of all-purpose flour. Then we're going to add in half a teaspoon of salt and baking soda. Next, we're just going to fold this together with a spatula. And then last, we're going to add in our chocolate chips. And I'm using my favorite mini dark chocolate chips today, but you guys can use regular sized chocolate chips too. You could even use a chopped up dark chocolate bar, that also works. Now we're just gonna fold this together until the chocolate chips are completely combined. Next, we're gonna line 2 baking sheets of parchment paper. And now if you guys wanna use a cookie scoop for this recipe, I recommend it for these ones because they have olive oil in them, so the dough isn't quite as pliable as a butter cookie dough base would be. And while you guys know I am usually terrible at cookie scoops, I'm gonna use one today for these olive oil cookies. So we just wanna scoop about 6 cookies for each tray, and we're gonna get 12 cookies total. Now we're going to bake these at 375 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes or until they're golden brown. When the cookies come out of the oven, I like to round them out with a cookie cutter. This is going to help get them perfectly round. Then you just want to give them a little sprinkle of flaky sea salt while they're hot so it sticks. And now we have delicious olive oil honey chocolate chip cookies that have the perfect amount of sweet and salty. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more bakery style cookie recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.